Burgundy, refine, renew, restore. Did you know dirty AC vents can blow dust, bacteria, and allergens directly into your breathing space every time you turn on the AC? Regular cleaning of car AC vents is essential because dust, bacteria, and mold tend to build up inside the vent channels. This not only reduces cooling efficiency, but also circulates unhealthy air inside the cabin, causing foul odors and potential respiratory issues. Burgundy AC Cleaner and Disinfectant Foaming Spray is a high-performance foam-based solution specially formulated to penetrate deep into AC vents, ducts, and evaporator coils. Its high-penetrating foaming spray and dual-action formula clean and disinfect in just one spray. Burgundy makes your air conditioning system safe and effective because you and your family deserve nothing less than pure, breathable comfort. Put the blower in full and adjust the circulation position as shown in the video. Tap the dashboard above the vent area to loosen any dust particle that is stuck. Begin by shaking the aerosol can vigorously to activate the powerful foaming action, ensuring an even and effective application. Turn off the AC and blower. Insert the narrow pipe provided with the can fully inside the vent. Start spraying directly into the ducts and between the louvers until the entire cavity is filled with foam. Stop the foam approximately an inch before the louvers. Repeat the process in every vent. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes and allow the foam to disintegrate. Switch on the blower and allow the foam to be flushed out. Cover the opening of the vent with a cloth to collect the dirt and dust. Finally, wipe off and collect excess foam and dirt with the help of Burgundy microfiber cloth or tissue. After application, you will experience clean, hygienic, and germ-free pure air, improved cooling and complete freshness inside the cabin. Protect your family with cleaner air and a healthier cabin environment. Revive your AC performance and refresh your driving comfort today with Burgundy Air Conditioner Cleaner and Disinfectant Foaming Spray.